it's Spooky Monday again. So basically, last week I did an It video for Halloween. That one I will link up above. Basically, I asked you guys what you'd like to see next, and someone said Freddy Krueger. So that's a horror story from my childhood, not gonna lie, but I am gonna try my best and do Freddy Krueger for you today, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So if you are new to my channel, my name's Tara. I do makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So if that tickles your fancy, then please hit that little red box down below and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so you don't miss out on any further uploads, which is twice a week, Monday and Friday. I do apologise that there wasn't a video up on Friday. I did have a personal things going on, but we're back with a bang, and I'm gonna try my best and do a Freddy Krueger look for you guys today. To draw in my scars, I'm just gonna use just a white eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna draw in some scars on the face. So I'm now just going to apply some liquid latex. I just got this from a costume shop. It was about $3.99. So I'm just going to pop this all onto this side of my face. This is going to act as the burns side of the face. And the more you pull it, the more it's making those kind of like rips in the face. Now using my hairdryer, I'm just going to blow dry this so it's completely and utterly dry. Once it's dry and still tacky, I'm just going to take these little scissors. These are really blunt, but you can use like a spatula or tweezers or something like that. But I'm just going to be using these really blunt scissors, and I'm just going to pull away at the latex. I'm going to be using the Pound Shop foundation because it's all muddy and it's a bit darker than my normal skin tone, so I'm just going to be using that. Some concealer, the same one as we used before. I'm going to use some Snazaroo red paint, and I'm just going to paint the insides of these scars. So I'm just going to take some water. This is water activated paint. Then I'm going to go in with some blue Snazaroo paint, just for like bruising and things like that. So where the skin's gone quite bruised, I'm just going to pop a bit of blue paint. I'm going to go over that with black so that it looks more charred. So I'm just going to pick some of this scab blood out. This is just more like a thick consistency blood splatter. And I'm just going to pick some of that out and pop some of that onto the scars so they look a bit more realistic. Flesh tone colour here. And I'm just going to pop that all around the eye. The lips on this side, I'm just going to pop some black paint and make them look a bit charred. Guys, what did you think? Do you think I did a good enough job doing a DIY Freddy Krueger look for you guys? So don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, join the family, and comment down below what look you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next on Elm Street. Spooky Monday. Bye guys, I love you all.